Discover the magic of turning phrases into paychecks. Dive into the world of copywriting and see how words can unlock a treasury of earnings. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into the lucrative world of copywriting, but I assure you there's more beneath the surface that will elevate your writing journey. Stick around till the end. This video is packed with insights that go beyond the ink, unlocking a realm of potential you hadn't envisaged. Copywriting is the craft of crafting persuasive text that promotes a product, service, or idea. It's like wielding words as tools to coax the reader into taking a specific action. This action could range from purchasing a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or downloading a complimentary ebook. The essence of copywriting lies in its ability to influence and evoke a response. Diving into the skills crucial for a copywriter, effective copywriting is anchored in a captivating writing style. This style should be fluid, resonating with the reader while conveying the desired message. It's akin to having a conversation with the reader, guiding them towards the action you want them to take. Understanding the target audience is another pillar of effective copywriting. A profound understanding of their likes, dislikes, needs, and wants enables a copywriter to craft text that resonates with them. It's about stepping into their shoes, seeing the world from their perspective, and then tailoring your message to align with their outlook. Being able to narrate a compelling story is the hallmark of a good copywriter. Your words should conjure images and evoke emotions, building a bridge between the product or service and the reader. Storytelling is an art that, when mastered, can transform mundane features into intriguing benefits, enticing the reader to take action. The content you craft should be engaging, acting as a magnet that keeps the reader glued to the page. Boring copy is the nemesis of engagement. Utilize powerful words, catchy phrases, and compelling narratives to keep your audience hooked from the first word to the last. Research isn't just beneficial, it's essential. It's about diving into the depths of the product or service, understanding its nuances, and then surfacing with pearls of information that add substance to your copy. Research equips you with the knowledge to write with authority, thereby building trust with your audience. SEO isn't just for bloggers or website owners. Incorporating SEO techniques such as keyword placement can amplify the reach of your copy, directing a torrent of traffic towards it, which in turn can lead to increased conversions. It's about being visible in a sea of online content. Creativity isn't a mere accessory, but a necessity in copywriting. The online world is inundated with content, making originality your ally in standing out. Creative copy is memorable. It leaves a lasting impression long after the reader has moved on. Transitioning into kickstarting your copywriting journey, building a solid foundation is the first step. Immerse yourself in the realm of copywriting through books, online courses, and by following seasoned copywriters. Absorb their techniques, learn from their experiences, and refine your own style in the crucible of learning. Practice might not make perfect, but it certainly propels you towards it. Writing daily sharpens your skills, refining your style, and making you familiar with what works and what doesn't. Challenge yourself with different styles, tones, and topics to become a versatile writer. Proofreading is your last line of defense against errors that can tarnish the professionalism of your copy. It's about presenting a polished piece that reflects the quality of your work. Each error that slips through is a dent in your professional image, making proofreading non-negotiable. A portfolio is your window to the world. It showcases your ability, style, and the value you can provide to potential clients. It's a tangible proof of your skills, making it easier for clients to trust you with their projects. With a portfolio ready, it's time to foray into the job market. Engage with local businesses, sign up on freelance platforms, or network within the industry to find potential gigs. Each project, no matter how small, is a stepping stone towards building a reputable portfolio. Drawn to our narrative? Weave into our story, hit subscribe, acknowledge with a like, and ring the bell to become a part of our unfolding tale. Curious about the next chapter? Let's dive back in. Social media isn't just for selfies and cat videos. It's a powerful tool for showcasing your skills, connecting with potential clients, and advertising your services. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter are arenas where you can interact with a global audience, amplifying your chances of finding work. Specializing in a niche can be beneficial, but versatility opens up a broader spectrum of opportunities. Being able to write compelling copy across various topics and industries makes you a valuable asset to a wider range of clients. Offering additional services can be like adding more arrows to your quiver. Skills like content marketing, SEO, or social media management are complementary to copywriting, providing an avenue for increased income and making you a one-stop shop for clients. Staying updated with the latest trends and tools in the digital realm is indispensable. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and being abreast of the latest developments keeps you relevant and competitive in the market. Professional organizations are not just about the membership certificate. They provide a platform for networking, learning, and finding job opportunities. Associations like the American Writers and AMP Artists Inc. are reservoirs of resources that can significantly bolster your career. As you sail further into your copywriting career, consider revisiting and possibly raising your rates. Experience and a solid portfolio justify higher rates. Clients who value quality will be willing to pay for your refined expertise. Learning is a never-ending journey in the realm of copywriting. The industry is dynamic, and continual learning is the bedrock of staying relevant and refining your skills to meet the evolving demands of the market. The road to becoming a successful copywriter can be long, with its share of hurdles. Yet with perseverance, a thirst for learning, and the right approach to marketing oneself, the journey can be incredibly rewarding. Networking isn't a one-time task, but a continuous endeavor. Building relationships within the industry can open doors to opportunities that might not be accessible otherwise. It's about being part of a community, learning from others, and growing together in a competitive yet rewarding field. Feedback is a treasure trove of insight. Seek feedback on your work from peers, mentors, and clients to understand areas of improvement. It's about refining your craft with each constructive critique, evolving into a more adept copywriter with every project. In summation, the odyssey of becoming a successful copywriter is a blend of honing your writing skills, understanding your audience, and marketing yourself effectively. It's a journey laden with opportunities for creativity, flexibility, and earning a decent income. So kickstart your copywriting voyage today and march towards unlocking the doors of success. Each day is a new chapter in your copywriting journey, with endless possibilities waiting to be explored. Your growth as a copywriter is a blend of continual learning, adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape, and building meaningful connections in the industry. Step into the spotlight moment. Traverse a free ebook unveiling the paragon of online business strategies primed to dazzle today. But the spectacle doesn't end there. As the ebook's narrative concludes, a thrilling 15-day challenge stands tall, ingeniously designed for your e-mission. Navigated by digital prodigies, trailblazing techniques, and an arsenal of unrivaled assets, your path to online distinction is laid bare. Set to conquer? Ignite with purpose. Engage the link in the description on the double and etch your narrative in the e-hall of fame. Shutting down today's e-earning virtual cafe chat? Brewed something with the method? Smooth sips or bitter tastes? Share your reviews in the comments. Did today's financial blend perk up your interests? Hit like to brew more content. Eager for more cups of online success? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're served for every session. Before you leave the cafe, spot that video on the menu. It's a taste of another rich blend of online earnings. Dive in and let's brew more success stories together. Until our next cafe rendezvous,